अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें।
जिन्हें कभी उम्र ही नहीं लगती, माय फॉरएवर जवान बॉबी देओल, कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ रोहिणी, कैसी है तू?
Fantastic, I'm fantastic. मेरा नया शो है, it's called Bowl Baby Bowl on Film Companion Local. But आज के लिए the episode is called Bowl Bobby Bowl. How do you like that?
Sounds pretty nice.
I have to start with this question के lockdown कैसा रहा है? Are you somebody who enjoys the fact कि कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना है, कि आपको लग रहा है I'm missing something? कहाँ पर हो इस वक्त?
पता है क्या है कि वैसे तो मैं I'm a home bird. I like to, मुझे घर पे रहने का शौक बहुत है. जब काम नहीं है तो घर पे रहो. लेकिन जब कोई कह देता है ना कि घर से बाहर मत निकलो, तो लगता है कि क्यों नहीं निकलो भाई, निकलना चाहिए.
बगावत, जी हाँ.
लेकिन इस जमाने में इस जैसे अब माहौल है, बगावत करो तो आप खुद को ही परेशान करोगे. तो इट्स बेस्ट टू स्टे सेफ और घर पे रहो. सबको मतलब यही है कि घर पे रहेंगे तो सब जल्दी जल्दी सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, it's interesting because you're the second member of the Deol Khandan. I'm trying to attempt to Zoom call. आपसे पहले मैंने किनको मतलब रिक्वेस्ट भेजी थी. I had sent it to your father.
Okay.
And मैंने जयराज से भी बात की. उन्होंने कहा no chance, यहाँ पर तो कोई नेटवर्क नहीं है because he's in the farm and he's having a great time. मुझे
Yeah.
why aren't you at the farm?
Because of the same problem, the internet. मेरे बेटे दोनों ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग कर रहे हैं, तो इंटरनेट की जरूरत पड़ती है. और वैसे भी उनका टाइम पास ज्यादा वो गेम्स पर होता है, जो अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठकर, जिनसे अभी मिल नहीं सकते. दे आर प्लेइंग ऑनलाइन गेम्स विद ईच अदर. पर पापा के साथ यही प्रॉब्लम है, हमारी भी बात नहीं हो पाती. तो मैं हर दिन पूरा एवरी डे आई ट्राई कॉलिंग हिम. फिर कब लग गया तो बोलते हैं हाँ बेटा, मैं 4G रूम में बैठा हूँ ना, इसलिए लग रहा है यहाँ पर. तो जब भी मैं 4G रूम में होता हूँ तब मैं सब कुछ देख सकता हूँ या मैसेज पढ़ सकता हूँ. So I always wait for that 4G room to be there when he's around because I can at least speak to him.
Absolutely. You know, actually मैंने उनसे connect किया था क्योंकि it's 45 years of Sholay on the 15th of August. Can you believe it?
45 years. And I've just finished 25 years in the industry. So wow.
I was just going to say क्या साल है 2020, एक तरफ 45 years of Sholay and marking 25 years of Barsat on the 6th of October. Wow, what a journey.
Yeah, I know, it's been a long journey. We don't even realize
Yeah.
कि इतनी जल्दी इतना टाइम बीत गया है. It's like just yesterday I was shooting for my first film. मुझे तभी ध्यान आता है जब मैं अपने बच्चों को देखता हूँ, अरे मैं तो बाप बन गया हूँ, बड़े बेटे बड़े बड़े हो गए हैं.
You know, it's wonderful क्योंकि I think as a new phase, you know, क्योंकि हम 25 साल में हैं, I think it's kind of appropriate that it's a digital debut जो आपका हो रहा है with Class of 83.
I guess so. I mean, I'm really excited. I always, जब भी मैं Netflix देखता था तो मुझे मेरे दिल में आती थी ये बात कि एक दिन I hope I get to do something interesting like how I see on Netflix. और suddenly एकदम से बात बन गई कि मैंने, और मुझे एक ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट मिला, एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर मिला प्ले करने को कि something I was looking for many years, क्योंकि I was tired of playing the same typecast kind of image roles, and there was never any satisfaction. And to also as an actor, you know, I wanted people to recognize me as an actor.
Yeah.
I don't want to just be known as the glamorous, flamboyant, you know, the star Bobby Deol, but I wanted them to know me as an actor. And in this phase of my life, it's that time now. I need to do something totally out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
And जो ऐसा है कि जहाँ मैं जब काम कर रहा हूँ, every moment of shooting would be a challenge to do my best.
Yeah.
You know? So I think Class of 83 is, luckily I've got Class of 83 and I'm so happy about it.
You know, it's really special for me because I was born in the year 83.
Okay.
और मैं हूँ क्लास ऑफ 83. अगर दुनिया भर में लोग कहें कि क्लास ऑफ 83 के बच्चे कहाँ हैं जो इस साल में पैदा हुए थे, which brings me to a pretty cool question. 83 में, do you remember Bobby Deol, क्या कर रहे थे आप? Were you in school, college? What were you doing?
I think I was in the 9th or 10th standard. I think I passed out in, I was class of 83, 84 or 84, 80. I think it was 83, 84 because suddenly the exams changed from December to, you know, March, and then everything became very different. Because I remember being in school when, जैसे December हुआ तो last month of the school था, लेकिन you used to go to the other class, but then it changed. So I think I was class of 83, 84 myself. So I passed out of 10th standard, I think. I remember the telephone ऐसे होते थे, फिर बाकी टैक्सी ये सब इतनी कम थी, ट्रैफिक कम थी, and it was such a lovely time for us. We didn't, because I was always home, तो मुझे कभी इसका अंदाजा नहीं था कि ये बाहर गैंग वॉर चल रही है पुलिस वालों के साथ, ये मिल वर्कर्स की मिल्स बंद हो रहे हैं, ये सब एक किस्म से एक बुरा टाइम भी था क्योंकि
Yeah.
ये सब इश्यूज चल रहे थे. तो because I when जब मैंने शूटिंग शुरू की तो मुझे याद है मैं बोलता थी मिलें इतनी खाली पड़ी हैं. I've been to those mills after the union and the owners had a quarrel and then they shut the mills. So there were so many empty mills, जैसे मुकेश mills
Yeah.
वगैरह वगैरह. So
Yeah.
they became locations for shootings. So it was nice to go back in that time. And I think I was in school. I was enjoying life. I was मेरे अच्छे दोस्त थे. वो आज भी मेरे दोस्त हैं. जैसे आशीष सिंह हैं, अक्षय, फिर रंजीत, तापुश और भी दोस्त, विक्रम भट्ट, सब हम स्कूल में थे साथ में. तो it was really, I miss those days, especially for the time spent with my friends. When I look at my sons and I see, oh shit, तुम लोग तो रूम में ही बैठे रहते हो. हमारे टाइम पे तो हम लोग बाहर चोर पुलिस खेल रहे थे, क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे, फिर हम लोग क्या क्या नहीं खेलते थे बाहर. Outdoor sports was everything for us, and I used to play football for my school. 83 में भैया की फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी. तो it's a special time because 83 I remember मैं फुटबॉल खेलने गया था अपने स्कूल के लिए. मैं भूल गया कि प्रीमियर एक दिन पहले होता है. और मैं घर पे पहुंचा तो बोले जल्दी कर प्रीमियर शो है आज तेरे भाई का. ऐसे, ओ शिट, मुझे पता ही नहीं था एक दिन पहले होता है. आई वाज सो कंफ्यूज्ड. आई रिमेंबर रनिंग to get ready and going for my brother's premiere in it was August 15th, I think.
Wow, wow,
I
wow.
think it was around about that time. Was it August? I think it was. I'm not sure now.
Wow, what a beautiful flood of memories. Thank you for that. I'm assuming, I'm wondering, क्योंकि one interesting thing, of course, about the film is that film में आपका नाम, Dean Vijay Singh, it's just, one shot of Vijay Singh. They all just शायद, आपके fans को तो definitely पता होगा that is actually your name. क्या ये नाम लिखा हुआ था या because it was you ये नाम आया?
Actually क्या है कि जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो कैरेक्टर का अलग नाम था, लेकिन जब मैं when I signed the film मैंने अतुल से कहा कि अतुल ये नाम मेरे साथ जाता है या नहीं जाता. तो इसे हाँ तो थोड़ा सा यूनिवर्सल नाम रखते हैं जो नॉर्थ का हो, पता नहीं कौन से पार्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ, तो इसे विजय सिंह रख देते हैं. तो जैसे मैंने सुना विजय सिंह तो मैंने बोला हाँ अच्छा ठीक है विजय सिंह रख लेते हैं. आज तक मैंने अपना नाम ही नहीं रखा फिल्म में. तो he didn't know it was my real name, so I was happy to keep it. It has Vijay Singh has that the name Victory Singh, it, and the character the way I played in the film, it goes very well with that character.
Yeah, it was beautiful. लेकिन the minute I realized, जब मैंने film देखी, मैंने कहा, oh, is this one of those, hidden nuggets for the fans? Also, speaking of fans, I must say this. My God, लोग जोड़ियों के बारे में बात करते हैं इंडस्ट्री में, and I think ये बहुत गलत है because they always think of a man and a woman, right? And I'm saying throw that out of the window because the जोड़ी that I was most excited for, class of '83 के साथ, is Bobby Deol and Raju Shah. Oh my God, this combination is back.
I know. Imagine this is my only second film with him. I have never worked with him. Really? Yeah, I have not done.
तो थी और फिर 97 में और फिर अब क्लास ऑफ 83 है, करेक्ट?
हाँ वही, लेकिन इसमें कोई गाने नहीं है, इसमें उन्होंने बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक किया है.
हाँ, लेकिन वो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक इज सच अ फैबुलस एलिमेंट, पूरी फिल्म में इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अपने आप में एक कैरेक्टर है एंड एट द सेम टाइम वो 90s की फिल्मों की याद जो है वो मुझे दिलाता है, जो मुझे बेहद पसंद आया. जस्ट वांट टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट यू गाइस ऑन दैट पेयरिंग.
That was actually obviously, I mean, it was an obvious decision that we took. I think the producers and the director took Viju because he was from that time and he gave the right feel to the whole thing. It was quite nice that they decided to take Viju for it. So thank you for the compliments.
I think it's absolutely fab, खास करके इस फिल्म के लिए. I love the fact that when friends come together and produce something, तो I think कि ये अपने आप में एक बहुत ही खास जो है ये फिल्म रहेगी आपके लिए. Take us back to that time जहाँ पर you and Shahrukh शायद met for the first time. कहाँ पर आप मिले थे, क्या आपको याद है?
See, Gaurav also is one of the producers and Gauri, and so Gaurav had come with Atul to meet me with the script, and the funniest thing is they didn't think that I'd want to do this role, and I was like, didn't know that. They told me that afterwards because they didn't know if I would do these kind of characters, and I've been looking for these kind of characters. So it was like the best thing that happened to me.
Yeah.
First of all, Netflix and Red Chillies coming together and a script, and then I was excited. I mean, I was more nervous that what will the script be after this because this इतनी अच्छी जोड़ी है Netflix की और Red Chillies की. तो फिर जब script पढ़ी तो I was so excited, and then I remember going to Shah Rukh's office,
Yeah.
and he was just going through the script and sitting with me and Atul, and he was just giving his views and points, and I was so happy, because I've seen Shah Rukh's career, it's like we almost started at the same time in our careers.
Yeah. इसीलिए तो ये बहुत ही खास है. I'm asking you, do you remember the first time आप दोनों मिले? वो वाली memory याद है क्या?
See, it's very difficult to remember that. I mean, because we never met so often. It was
Yeah.
just, it was one of those rare occasions where we bumped into each other. But he's always been very sweet and caring because the respect he has for my father is also, I mean, amazing. So I think that makes the bond more easier to make with, colleagues. And, but he's genuinely a nice guy. And I was just so happy that, because I know as a producer, because he's been such an awesome actor, and he has always been so dedicated to his art that I knew that as a producer he won't leave any stone unturned. So that's what he did. I mean, he was involved. He saw, he read the script, he went through the whole thing, and then eventually he he was a producer, so he liked it. And I still remember the day the film released. I mean, not released. He saw the film and he called me up.
क्या कहा?
And I was very nervous because for me it was a very different kind of film. So I wanted approval, and approval kahan se mile, kaise mile. But he didn't need to call me, but he called me up and he said, "Bobby, मैं genuinely बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने सुना तू nervous है. अरे बहुत अच्छी film बनी है. तूने इतना अच्छा काम किया है. I love that scene of yours, in the car, and I like this of you, and even all the boys who acted in the film, they've done such a great job." I said, Shah Rukh, coming from you, it means a lot. Thank you so much. I mean, he said, genuinely, Bob, मैं तो कभी फोन नहीं करता. अगर मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी तो मैं फोन क्यों करता?
It's so classic, Shah Rukh. I love it. I love it. No, I
Yeah.
think it is definitely a film that I had a lot of fun just watching you do your thing. And let me put it this way: पुलिस वाले, जब स्क्रीन पर दर्शाने होते हैं, तो एक लेवल ऑफ फिटनेस की जरूरत होती है. And whether or not you're on the screen या फिर आप film shoot कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो, I know that has been really important to you, and I think that has contributed to a entire Vijay Singh मेरे हिसाब से एक level of fitness, और वो मुझे बेहद पसंद आई. And I think we should end with this. What do you have to say about that?
There was a conversation I had with Atul when we were starting the film. He said, "Bobby, मैं चाहता हूँ कि ना तू 1-2 महीने वर्कआउट छोड़ दे,
Oh,
क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ मेरा कैरेक्टर ना थोड़ा सा जो उसके साथ हो रहा है वो कमजोर है, ये है वो ऐसे देख. मेरे हिसाब से character needs to look tough, even
yeah,
though there's nothing, everybody's against him, there's no one helping him. He is a man who's tough, and if he has to be tough, he has to physically also appear that way, I thought, and
yeah.
and after we started shooting, he said, "Bobby, you were right, because it's working so much. Every time I see you in the frame, it's looking like Vijay Singh there, and it really goes because वो because कितने होते हैं जो टफ होते हैं, लेकिन उनकी लाइफ, आप लोग तो इतना टफ है तो कुछ कर क्यों नहीं पा रहा, तो एक टफ आदमी भी कुछ नहीं कर पाता क्योंकि
Yeah.
सिस्टम उसको कुछ करने नहीं दे रहा, ही इज फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट सिस्टम. सो I enjoy training. It's just something. It's become a part of my life, and it's better to be fit always because it keeps you mentally, more confident.
Yeah.
And definitely ये लॉकडाउन के दौरान थोड़ी सी कंफर्ट ईटिंग हो गई है फूड, क्योंकि बैठे बैठे घर पर मैं फिर भी लकीली घर में जिम है, तो मैं हर दिन जिमिंग करता हूँ अपने ट्रेनर के साथ. ऑन वीडियो कॉल आई कॉल हिम एंड ही ट्रेन्स मी, एंड सो आई बीन एट इट.
Well, I just want to say what a great occasion to actually connect with you ऐसे दौर में, जहाँ पर हम शायद मिल ही नहीं पाते, but I think this is great. Thank you for giving us a film in
No,
the
it's
middle.
always a pleasure talking to you. Seriously, you take care of yourself.
You too. Take care, Bobby. Bye.
Yeah, bye.